Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection, gold jari design. We have a dark navy blue color body with beautiful gold jari puttas with a light blue color combination, and we have rich gold jari work in the pallu with a plain blouse and a jari border. Beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection, beautiful combination, all in gold jari work. We have a copper orange color saree with beautiful buttas, all in gold jari, with a royal blue combination pallu, again full of gold jari work, rich work, with a plain royal blue color blouse piece with both sides jari border. Beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection, beautiful color combinations, all in gold jari work. We have a peacock neck color, blue into mild green shade. You can see the color from this side, and we have a gold jari puttas, floral type, and we have a very contrast red color pallu with gold jari work, and a plain pallu color blouse piece with both side borders. Very beautiful color combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection with all gold jari work. Beautiful dark violet combination. It's a bluish violet, very dark shade, with beautiful gold jari puttas, and we have blue, sky blue color pallu with gold jari work, and a plain pallu color blouse piece with both side borders. Beautiful color for the dark color lovers with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection with beautiful gold jari work. We have a dark red color saree with beautiful gold jari work. You can see the puttas with jari border and a thin border, and a pallu is blue color with beautiful jari work, all in gold, with a plain blouse piece, blue color with jari border in both sides. Excellent color combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection, beautiful gold jari puttas, excellent combination colors. We have a dark violet color body with beautiful gold jari puttas. These are very rose bud puttas with a very different sky blue color combination. Pallu also have rich jari work, all in gold color. These are the blouse piece with jari border, plain with jari border. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection with gold jari work. Beautiful color combination. We have a violetish dark pink with mango gold jari puttas, and a grey, dark grey color pallu, and beautiful gold jari work. You can see rich work with a plain blouse piece, pallu color with jari borders in both ends. You can see the exact color. It is dark elephant grey. Beautiful color combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border collection with gold jari work. Beautiful color combination. We have a mango yellow saree, a traditional combination with dark pink color. all in gold jari work. You can see the puttas, gold jari puttas, and pallu also we have gold jari mango work with a plain blouse piece with both sides jari border. Lovely combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, all self design, bridal collection. We have contrast pallu and blouse piece and a beautiful border in black. The pallu border and blouse are black, jet black with silver jari work, and the body color is dark green, and silver jari work is very obviously looking in that. We have a beautiful border in the top as well. Grab yours soon. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, thin border, new design, trendy collection with beautiful combinations. We have a light sea blue color body, and we have a beautiful gold and silver jari puttas, and a very contrast and very rare color pallu, pastel color with gold and silver jari work. We have beautiful plain blouse piece with pallu color. You can see it's a beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, bridal collection, all self design with beautiful silver jari work. We have a dark grey color saree with beautiful silver jari work. You can see with a light olive green work in the bottom, all necklace design, again in silver jari work, and we have a beautiful olive green color pallu with beautiful jari work. We have a plain pallu color blouse piece, olive green color blouse piece. Again the blouse also have silver jari borders in both ends. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, beautiful and trending design with thin border. We have a lovely combination here, pastel body color, light grey, and we have beautiful copper jari butta with gold jari combination, and we have a very vibrant black, jet black pallu, again copper jari and gold jari is used in the pallu. Very beautiful design with plain black blouse piece. Very, very beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, bridal collection, all self design, all in silver jari work. We have a beautiful red saree with beautiful floral silver jari work, and we have a beautiful design. A dual shade color is given in the pallu and the border. It is a violet into red into blue. You can see the blue threads in the tassels, and you can see the red shade. Beautiful saree with plain pallu color blouse piece. You can see the blouse piece. Blouse piece have jari border in both ends with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, bridal collection, all self design. We have a beautiful silver jari work done in a blue color saree. We have a jari work in silver in the top and beautiful necklace design, pallu color in the bottom, again with silver jari work. You have a beautiful pallu also in dark blue. We have a light and dark combination in this saree, and a pallu color plain blouse piece with jari border, all in silver jari. A beautiful saree for your functions with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, beautiful and trending design. We have pastel color shade body and pallu. Body is light baby pink. We have a beautiful and shiny color pastel shade, and these are very different buttas. Mango buttas in silver jari, and we have a round butta in gold jari, new in the market. And we have a pastel mild grey color pallu with again gold and silver jari work, which is a matching work. And we have a plain pallu color blouse piece. Very excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, beautiful thin border collection with excellent combination, a trendy design. We have a very different color body here, orange into pink, light pink. So we get a peach color. You can see the exact color in the left portion. Very beautiful color. And we have silver and gold jari puttas. We have a beautiful black combination again with silver and gold jari puttas. Black plain blouse piece with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, bridal collection, all self design with beautiful silver jari work. We have a dark violet, a vada malli color saree here with beautiful silver jari work with olive green combination. We have beautiful necklace design in the bottom border, and a pallu also in the olive green with plain blouse piece, pallu color with beautiful jari border. You can see the color combination. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. We have a beautiful Korvai Kanchi border sarees. Very beautiful pallu, Rani pink color with both sides Korvai Kanchi border, all in gold jari work. Very beautiful. With the blouse piece plain with both sides borders. You can see the border. Beautiful work. Completely handcrafted. And we have a dark grey color body with beautiful peacock work. We have Meena work in the jari puttas in both pink and yellow color. Very beautiful for your functions. We have a longer border in the bottom. Both sides same 3 to 4 inch border. You can see with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Korvai Kanchi border design with Meena work. We have a beautiful pallu with gold jari work, blue color. Beautiful and rich pallu with a plain blouse piece, both side borders. You can see the Kanchi border, beautiful border. Completely handcrafted saree. And we have a dark violet color body and beautiful puttas and peacock design, both in gold and silver jari. We have Meena work for the feathers. You can see the combination blue and violet. Very beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Beautiful Korvai Kanchi border design with Meena work. We have a beautiful blue border, a blue pallu with gold jari work. We have a beautiful pallu design. We also have thread work in the pallu and a plain pallu color blouse piece with both sides border, which you can use for the sleeves and body. We have a very bright and dark pink color, violetish pink, and peacock puttas in silver and gold jari. And we have beautiful Meena work for the feather and the eyes. This combination is really beautiful, pink into blue with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Beautiful Korvai Kanchi border design. We have a royal blue color pallu with gold jari work. Beautiful work. Completely handcrafted with a plain blouse piece with both sides Kanchi border. And this is the body. We have a beautiful red color with gold and silver jari motifs, peacock design, and we have Meena work for the feathers. You can see green and blue, and we have a purple color border. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Korvai Kanchi border design with Meena work. We have a beautiful Rani pink color pallu here with beautiful gold jari work, rich work with a plain Rani pink color blouse piece, and both sides we have this border design which you can use for the sleeves. And the saree color is a mango yellow, beautiful and a lovely combination with gold jari and silver jari peacock motifs. The motifs have Meena work, which have the blue and pink color. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, bridal collection, gold jari work. We have a beautiful traditional green saree with beautiful gold jari work, apt for any functions, with a 3-inch jari border and a thin border. We have a violetish pink pallu combination with again a rich pallu design in gold jari and a plain pallu color blouse piece with both sides jari border. Very, very beautiful classy saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, all self design, bridal collection, gold jari work. We have a beautiful purple, dark purple color saree with beautiful gold jari work. You can see beautiful for any functions with jari border, 3-inch jari border in both ends with a thin blue color border, light blue. The sky blue color combination in the pallu and blouse piece. Very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp, bridal collection, gold jari puttas. Very beautiful saree. Here we have a beautiful dual tone color, orange into pink, a dark peach color saree with gold jari work. We have a jari border in the bottom with green thin border and a beautiful green combination pallu. All we have in gold jari and plain blouse piece. You can see the jari work. Beautifully it is done. Completely handcrafted with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, beautiful design, contrast. We have black color pallu with beautiful silver and gold jari work. You can see it's very different pallu. And the body is mustard color with different motifs in silver and gold jari. And we have a black color border in both ends. And this is a different pattern. You can see a zigzag lines running vertically. Very beautiful and exclusive design with silk mark. Grab your soon. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, borderless saree, pallu, kind of peachish pink. We have Dupian thread work in the pallu and plain pallu color blouse. Saree is contrast green and this is a double shade dual color green. We have yellow and green and we have motifs, dual diamonds, thread work and gold jari work. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, triple warp. Pallu of the saree, dark rani pink pallu with silver jari work, and we have long border in the bottom with silver jari. Plain blouse with jari border, long jari border. You can use it for the sleeves. The saree is dark sky blue. You can see the buttas, and we have pallu color meena work done, and we have a jari border in the top and a long jari border in the bottom. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, borderless collection, double warp, a different design, contrast pallu and body. This is the pallu of the saree. You can see a beautiful pastel color pallu with silver jari work and a pastel blouse piece. And this is the body of the saree. We have triple square diamond shape buttas in silver jari work. The saree is a violetish blue. You can see double shade. It is violet come blue. Rare combination. Grab some. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, thin border collection. This is the pallu of the saree. Very beautiful grey color pastel pallu with a different silver jari work, and this is the blouse piece, plain grey blouse piece. It's a different combo. We never get this combo. And the saree is pure pink with silver jari motifs and a silver jari thin border in both borders. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, contrast body and pallu. We have a very different pallu color, a pastel pallu with silver jari work, and we have pastel blouse piece, plain blouse piece, and a pure contrast sky blue color saree, and we have beautiful silver color motifs. Looks very trendy with silk mark certificate. Thank you.